So here we had two parts. In the first part I explained how to prepare income statement for a service business, and today in the second part I will show you how to prepare capital account. So we covered a question which is taken from Cambridge O-level accounting first paper. Here is the question on the screen. So here we see a trial balance and we have 5 adjustments. Okay, so here we have capital, which will be here in the capital account, and we have drawings, which is $18,500. Okay, so these two amounts will come in the capital account from the trial balance on the question. Okay, so here we have income statement. From the income statements, if it is profit, we will take here on the credit side. If it is a loss for the business, we will take on the debit side. Okay, this is all about our question. Now let us have a look at the format before we start. So here we have date, detail and dollar column on the debit side, and here we have date, detail and dollar column on the credit side. Okay, so we will write here debit for these 3 columns, and here these 3 columns are credit columns. Okay, now point to be noted. So we always write drawings and loss for the year on the debit side, and we always write capital, the opening balance of capital, and profit for the year on the credit side of the capital account. Okay, so here capital is normal credit account. Okay, so we will write capital on the credit side. It is an internal liability for the business. Okay, so first of all we will write capital. So on the question we have capital $400,000. so first of all we will write opening balance, which is capital $400,000. Okay, so date will be here 2022 September 1st. It is mentioned in the question. So we will write here balance BD. BD stands for brought down. So here we will write here $400,000, which is a capital for the business. Okay, then we have one more item on the question. It is a drawing. Okay, so drawing is an expense for the business. What does drawing mean? It means when owner takes something from the business, maybe cash, maybe goods, whatever is taken from the business will be drawing. Okay, it is a personal account of the owner. Okay, so here owner is Anika. Maybe she took cash from the business. That is the reason this amount $18,500 mentioned on the question in the trial balance. Okay, so this is the drawings, this is the expense, so it will have a normal debit balance. Okay, so we will write on the debit side. So here let us write 2022, the last day of the financial period, which is 31st August. Okay, so we will write here August 31st. We will write here drawings. So it is on the question $18,500. Okay, so don't forget to write the date, because dates carry mark. Okay, so here the closing date is 31st August 2022. Great, then we have here one more item, which is income or loss. So here we have profit for the year $38,100. Okay, so if it is an income, we will write on the credit side, because income is a normal credit item. Okay, if it is a loss, we will write here on the debit side. So let us write here profit for the year. So date will be the last day of the financial year 2022 August 31st. Okay, we will write here profit for the year. So we will write here $38,100. Okay, so these are 3 items will be always recorded in the capital account. Okay, this is not complicated. but many of you make mistake because you don't know what item to be recorded and which side items to be recorded, debit side or credit side. Okay, so if you understand, you can prepare whatever question is given in your exam or test. Okay, so here now what to do, we recorded all these three items. One more thing, if it is cash drawings will be here on the debit side, even if it is a goods drawing, okay, will be same on the credit side. If you have both cash and goods, both will be written here one by one. Okay, first cash, then you can write here goods. Great. So now what to do, now we need to balance it. Okay, because in the question our requirement is we need to balance. Okay, so how to balance it? Balancing part is also simple. So first of all, we have to compare this debit and credit column. We have to check which column is greater in terms of value. Okay, so if we see our credit column is greater, yeah, here we have $400,000, here we have $38,100. Okay, on the debit side we have only one item which is $18,500. So we'll total the credit column first because this is a greater column. Okay, so if we sum up, what we get? We get here $438,100, right? Now we will take this amount here on the debit side, yeah. So let us write here same level, $438,100. Okay, then what to do? Then we have here only one items. We have all the items here to be subtracted from this total. Okay, we have here only $18,500. So if we subtract this amount from this, we will get $419,600. Okay, so what is this amount called? This is the closing balance. Okay, so we will write here balance CD. Okay, CD stands for balance carried down. Okay, and the date for balance carried down will be the last day of the financial year, which is 31st August 2022. Okay, so let us write here 2022 August 31st. Okay, so we balance carried down. Now we need to bring down the balance. Okay, so how to bring down the balance? It is also simple, easy. So you have balance carried down on the debit side, and balance brought down will be opposite side. Okay, that means it will come on the credit side. Okay, now here we will come below the total when it is balance brought down. Okay, when it is balance carried down, you have to write above the total. Okay, many students make mistake here. So let us write here balance VD or brought down $419,600. Okay, so we need to write the date because I told you dates carry mark. So what will be the date for balance brought down? It will be the first day of next financial year. Okay, so here Anika started her business on 1st September 2021 and she ended 31st August 2022. Okay, these 12 months were her financial year. Okay, so here we ended 31st August, we ended on 31st August 2022 here. Now the new financial year will be started from 1st September 2022. Okay, so we will write here 2022 and it is September 1st. So this is how you need to prepare capital account.